Hello everyone, welcome to my pharmacology playlist. My name is Amoa Jethro Ata-Larti, and I created this series because I know how challenging pharmacology can be for many nursing and medical students. My inspiration came from seeing my own sister, who's in nursing school, really struggle with pharmacology. She often said the course was overwhelming, too many drugs, mechanisms, and side effects to memorize. And I realized she's not alone. Thousands of students worldwide feel the same way. So in this playlist, I'm going to break pharmacology down into simple, clear, and easy to understand lessons. We'll cover drug classifications, mechanisms of action, mnemonics to make memorization easier, and exam-focused strategies. Each video is designed to help you study smarter, not harder. If you've ever felt like giving up because the content is too much, I want you to know that you can get through this. Pharmacology doesn't have to be a nightmare. With the right approach, you can master it and even enjoy the learning process. Make sure you subscribe and follow the playlist step by step. By the end of this series, you'll feel more confident and prepared for your exams and clinical practice. Let's make pharmacology simple. Together.